Hello, this is the HTML horizontal line tutorial from Godbrain Games. My name is Wale. Let's get into it. Alright, move my face out of the way. So here's our final result of our current script. You don't really need me in there at all, do you? Alright, so here's our final result of our script. Here's one line, here's the second line, and they're empty tags, so this is real easy. You can throw them inside, you can nest them. Alright, so right here, this is our first line. It's HR and that one slash. You can put the slash or you don't need to put the slash. I tested it out. It didn't matter. But yeah, so this should be the first line right here. I'll take it out. Boom. No line there. And we could put it back. Luckily, let me not jinx it, but it's pretty easy to remember. Boom. Line on top of grocery. I'm sure I'll do a tutorial in the future of how to probably make it thicker and change the color of it, but HTML's been pretty friendly about that type of stuff, so it's probably really easy. But before I let you go, build a couple more lines. That's under the 2 right there. I'll put one in the 2 or right above the 2, so it looks like line paper. Yeah, we do that. So you have 3 lines there. Thank you for this website, geeksforgeeks.org. Thank you very much. It's no fun not being able to find a compiler. So definitely appreciate you. Like and subscribe, and that's it. To create a line, you can nest it in anything. I put it in our body right here, but it's pretty friendly. It's just this. Let's see if we have anything separate. I can put it in real fast before I pause. Alright, let's see. I should be able to put one in the header right here, or find out the actual limits of it, because I don't want you to try it somewhere else that I haven't tried it and then break for some reason. But I've been messing around with it for a while, and HTML is pretty friendly. Yep, worked in the header too, so it's the line right up here at the very top, right above my name. Yep, and I'll move it real fast and let you go. Thank you for watching. Have a good night.